In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design a logo using the tool DsgnPop. Coming right up. Hey, welcome back. So here I am inside the DsgnPop Studio. It's actually a tool within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Now, what exactly is DsgnPop Studio and what exactly is Wealthy Affiliate? Let's start with DsgnPop Studio. It is a logo generation creator where you give a couple prompts and it'll automatically, using the technology of AI, otherwise known as artificial intelligence, will design a logo for you. So if you're starting a brand new business or want to update your existing logo, DsgnPop is a tool that you can use right inside the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Now, what exactly is Wealthy Affiliate? Wealthy Affiliate is an all-in-one platform for online businesses where you can learn how to build a website, market your website, sell things through affiliate marketing on your website, and also doing all sorts of fun things to help promote that brand and promote your own website and gain traffic. Now, to design something inside of DsgnPop Studio, it does cost credits. The good news is if you join as a starter member, you do get an allocation of 2,000 AI credits to which you can use towards building a designed logo. Now, if you're a Premium Plus member, which is their paid tier, you do get 30,000 credits every single month. So you could design a plethora of logos. In fact, here's a little tip. You can design not only your logo, but if you start running a local marketing agency or web design agency, you could design other people's logos using the DsgnPop Studio feature. So let's go ahead and design a logo. All right, so here I am inside the actual DsgnPop Studio. You can see here that it costs anywhere between 400 to 800 credits per logo. Now, if I quickly swap over to the starter, you can see the starter member here gets 2,000. So you will be able to create a couple logos using your starter tier. Okay, so let's go ahead and start creating. So now here's where I can actually work with a new brand or an existing brand. So if I've been using Wealthy Affiliate for a little while, I can actually go to my businesses here on the left-hand side, and I can pick an existing business and choose one of those existing businesses that has a website already and build that as part of my logo. So for example, if I click on that, select from your hubs, I can create any sort of logo based off of these existing businesses that I have inside of my hubs inside of Wealthy Affiliate. So let's go ahead and just start a new brand. Okay. And let's call this Film Trivia Madness, like that. And we'll say Film Trivia Madness is a website. And then you want to be as descriptive as possible. It's a website that offers trivia questions about the movie genre and movie industry. All right, I press continue. So now it's doing its thing. It's looking for color palettes. All right, so here are some color palettes that it's saying. Do you want to try this? Now, if you don't like any of the color palettes, you can actually just click on more colors here and it will load additional color palettes. So let's go for something stark like Cinematic Night. We're going to use that one. And then it's saying select logo type. Now, these are 3 examples that we can generate. So for example, one is a text only where it uses the words as part of the text. You could do the logo only where it's actually just a symbol of some sort, or you can do a little bit of both. So the logo with the text. Now, personally, I like doing logo with text. Okay. And then here, select the quality. So 400, 800 credits for high quality, meaning it's going to be a higher resolution. So you can use it for maybe printable products and things like that. And then I can select my size. And as you can see here, there's only one size for the high quality. All right, so there we go. And now it's saying background color transparent, or I can choose something that's a white or black or a specific color. So let's keep it transparent so then it gives us the most amount of options. If you choose, just be aware, if you choose transparent, it will output as a PNG. Whereas if it is a white or a black, it'll probably still be a PNG, but it'll have that background set in that particular color. So that's why I choose the background color as transparent. It actually doesn't cost you any more credits to do that. Custom instructions, any specific instructions or preferences for your logo design, we'll just leave it the way it is and let's see it generate a logo. So this usually takes anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds, could take up to 2 minutes, depending on how complex your instructions are. But oftentimes I like to keep it really simple in terms of the instructions so that the AI can do its job, okay? Okay, so our logo is ready and here it is. And that looks amazing. That looks absolutely amazing. Now, let's say you accidentally click somewhere here and you go away. Rest assured, it is saved automatically. If you look up here in the top right-hand side, there's a thing that says My Design Gallery, to which if you click on that, it'll take me to all of my logos. There you go, folks. So that is the DsgnPop Design Gallery. You can create logos in just a few minutes. You can apply it to existing brands if you are a Wealthy Affiliate Premium Plus member, or if you just want to play around a couple times, join Wealthy Affiliate as a starter member, jump into the DsgnPop Gallery and try creating a logo for yourself or your brand. Thanks, everyone. My name is Jay. Now get to work.